Did your IPTV suddenly stop working today? No live TV, no sports, no movies, just buffering or a blank screen? Before you buy another IPTV subscription, watch this video. In the next few minutes, I'll explain why it happens and what to check. I'll also show you one IPTV platform that many users are comparing in 2026, FreeGoTV. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that IPTV doesn't always stop working because the provider shut down. It could be an expired subscription, incorrect Xtreme codes, or simply that your app needs an update. Other common issues include a full Firestick cache or ISP throttling during major live events. Before switching services, try these steps. Restart your Firestick and update your application. Clear the app cache and double-check your login information. It sounds simple, but it works. Test your account using another player like TiviMate or IPTV Smarters to rule out app issues. One mistake many people make is buying a new subscription immediately. Don't do that yet. Sometimes the problem is just your device or your internet. But if you've tried everything, it's time to compare. When looking for an IPTV alternative, don't just focus on the price. Stability is everything. Check for Firestick compatibility, TiviMate support, and how it handles 4K streaming during live sports. One platform many users are turning to is FreeGoTV. It's built for flexibility across devices. According to their site, it supports Firestick, Android TV, Google TV, and even your smartphone or PC. It's fully compatible with popular apps like TiviMate and IPTV Smarters for a better interface. You get access to a massive library of live TV, movies, and TV series with deep video-on-demand categories. For sports fans, they cover major events like the NFL, NBA, and even pay-per-view fights. The platform supports HD and 4K streaming, provided your internet connection can handle the bandwidth. It also includes full EPG support, making it much easier to navigate hundreds of channels. The best part? You can start with a free trial to check the performance on your own device first. So, if your IPTV is down, check your tech first. And if you need a change, give FreeGoTV a look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your IPTV status in the comments below.